My name's Semple. I'm the founder of SoMA Lighting here in Dubai. I guess you could call me a lighting lifer. I've been involved in the lighting industry for over 20 years. It was the first job I got after school. Started out my career in engineering and design, which I've done for around 10 years before joining a major lighting manufacturer. And then when I moved over to Dubai in 2016, moved into more of the distribution industry, which where we're at just now. Over the last 20 years, I've seen a lot of changes in the lighting industry. Technology has changed massively. Initially, it was very traditional light sources, which has been taken over by very much more sustainable sources like LED, and the whole industry has changed massively since that inception. I'm very passionate about lighting. It's something I've always done and something I'll always will do, which culminated in me starting up SoMA Lighting. It's an industry that I think I've watched grow, and I'm really passionate about helping it grow and raising more awareness for the importance of good lighting in every project. So SoMA Lighting's a lighting design and supply company. We work on a wide range of projects, and really our emphasis is on providing great design for every project. We firmly believe that no matter how big or small the project, or how big or small the budget, every project deserves to have great design. We work closely with the full design team, architects, interior designers, landscape designers, to try and deliver a really amazing turnkey solution and make every project look as good as it possibly can be. We've got a great in-house design team, we've got great distribution partnerships, so we can service any project, big or small. SoMA also represents a number of exciting and innovative lighting brands as their exclusive distributor in the region. One of the main inspirations behind starting SoMA Lighting was independent record labels. As a former musician myself, I really admired how independent labels take small brands and give them a really great platform. The big focus now in the market is around circularity. I think we need to limit the amount of fixtures that end up in landfill by repairing and reusing as much as possible the light fixtures. The raw materials that make up a lot of the light fixtures, such as the aluminium and plastics and metals, will long outlive the project duration. So we need to find a way of how to reuse those elements as much as possible. And we can do that by repairing and repurposing a lot of the lights and bring them back to a state that we can reinstall. Some manufacturers are now offering up to a 20-year repair and reuse guarantee, which is great. At SoMA, we've worked on over 10 projects now where we've reused or repaired some of the existing light fittings in a project. That's anything from respraying or powder coating to completely relamping a fixture and giving it new life. One of the largest projects we've done like this is a massive chandelier where we reused over 100 metal tube lights. We electroplated them, stripped them back to their basic state, recabled it all, and then we installed it in a huge cluster in a hotel lobby. So 2023 is a very important year for SoMA as we continue to establish ourselves as one of the main lighting companies here in Dubai. We've recently just moved into this fantastic new space in Al Quoz, and the plan is to have as much collaboration with other aspects of design as possible. So we'll be working with a local artist, and she'll be using this as a pop-up gallery. We're planning some events around music and fashion and trying to bring as many different people from the creative industries together. 2023 will also see the opening of our largest project to date, which is a restaurant called The Guild in ICD Brookfield Place. We work closely with the architect and lighting designers based in London to help them transfer their concept into reality on site, including supplying all the light fixtures and doing all the project management on site and making sure that everything was tested and commissioned to their exact brief and standards. We're also in the process of setting up our office in Saudi Arabia. It's a massive market now which is growing over the next 10 years with the 2030 vision, and we plan to be able to service our existing and new customers in a new market for us.